Welcome to the Map with Us video tutorial. In this episode, we will examine the features available in the Find Items and Places tool for map creation. Before we get started, we need to navigate to the site, log in, and then go to the Creator tab. We will go ahead and select a map to edit so we can take a look at the tools. We will edit our My First Map of Vancouver map, which we have been using for this series of tutorials. Okay, now we have the map open for editing. You can verify that we have the map open for editing by noting that the tools for map creation appear on the left side of the map. If the map were open for viewing, the tools for viewing would appear on the right side of the map. Let's go to the Find Items and Places tool pane. This tool pane has several features. At the top of the tool pane are two fields to perform searches for places and items on the map. At the bottom of the pane is a listing of all items matching the search, along with a drop-down menu that lets you sort the results of your search. By default, all items that are visible in the current view of the map are listed until a search is performed. We currently have two items visible on the map, My Running Path and Office. Let's take a closer look at how this works. The first search box allows you to search for places. As a result of your search, the map will be panned and zoomed to the place that best matches what you searched for. For example, you might search for an address or a place, such as Vancouver, Washington, and the map will readjust itself to display this location. Below the search for places is a search bar for locating specific items on the map. To search for items, simply enter keywords that either appear in the item's title or in the text inside of the item itself. Let's do a search for items containing the word running, which appears in the title of our item called My Running Path. Now only the item with the word running in the title is shown. When you do a search, by default the items are ordered by best match, meaning the items that best match the search terms will be listed first. To clear the search, we can either refresh the page with our web browser or clear the search terms and do another search. Now all of our items are listed again. Notice that by default, only items that are currently visible on the map are shown in our results. To change this, we can click on the All Items link below the Items search bar. Now all of the items on our map are listed in the results. We can zoom out a little bit so that more of our items are in the current view. Now if we select the Visible Items option, we have more items listed. Note that our running path is not listed anymore. That is because that particular item is set to not be visible if we are zoomed out this far. If we were zoomed in closer, the item would appear in our list. Directly below the item search box is a drop-down menu that lets you sort the results of your search. By default, the items are sorted by best match, if you have just performed a search. Otherwise, they are sorted by creation date, with newer items appearing first in the list. We can sort the list by several different criteria, such as creation date, date modified, the date the user that added the item opened their account, the date the layer the item appears on was created, or even by latitude or longitude positions. Let's sort the list alphabetically by title. To do this, we select Title A through Z from the drop-down. Now our results are sorted alphabetically by title in ascending order. As you can see, the Find Items and Places tool can be a powerful way to quickly locate items or places when you are creating or editing your map. We hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, have fun making maps.